In this video, we're diving into some of the best gaming smart glasses you can actually buy in 2026. Forget your monitor. This is the year we finally strap high refresh rate display screens to our faces. I've checked the specifications, looked into real-world compatibility, and tracked down the prices so you don't waste money on yesterday's tech. If you're gaming on Steam Deck, ROG Ally, PS5, PC, and more, stick around, because we're looking into everything including budget beasts under $300 and price monsters all the way up to $800 in no particular order. The Sentinel XR kicks things off with the dual 1080p OLED displays, a true 120Hz refresh rate, a 1 millisecond response time, plus a 52-degree field of view that creates a virtual display measuring up to 180 inches. That's enough screen space to make handheld gaming feel much closer to sitting in front of a large monitor, while the 120Hz panel keeps fast-moving games looking noticeably smoother. Platform support is another highlight. Plug them into a Steam Deck, ROG Ally, Nintendo Switch, gaming laptop, Mac, supported Android phone, or an iPhone with USB-C, and you're ready to play. But if you prefer cloud gaming, GeForce Now, Xbox Cloud Gaming, Amazon Luna, Shadow, PlayStation Remote Play, plus Xbox Remote Play are all supported, giving these glasses far more flexibility than many people expect. The optional OmniBase hub takes things a step further. It adds 128 gigabytes of onboard storage with micro-SD expansion, runs Android for native mobile games, plus works as a portable battery pack. That's a useful addition for anyone gaming away from home, especially Nintendo Switch 2 owners looking to push battery life well beyond a single charge. Comfort hasn't been ignored either. The frame weighs under 80 grams, uses aircraft-grade aluminum with magnesium, includes adjustable nose pads, flexible arms, plus built-in diopter adjustment from 0 to -5. Anyone with stronger prescriptions can swap in custom lens inserts instead of wearing glasses underneath. The biggest drawback comes down to value. The glasses start at $499, though the OmniBase hub plus the Vagabond V2 controller both cost extra. Those accessories unlock some of the Sentinel XR's strongest features, pushing the total price well beyond the entry point. At that level, you're competing with glasses that deliver a more complete package straight out of the box. That's exactly where the next pair begins to pull ahead. The Techno Pocket Vision takes a completely different approach. Instead of asking you to connect a pair of smart glasses to another device, it gives you an entire Windows gaming PC built around them. Inside sits an AMD Ryzen 7 processor with an 8-core Zen 4 CPU, Radeon 7 8OM graphics, up to 32 gigabytes memory, plus as much as 1 terabyte of PCIe 4.0 storage. That's the same class of hardware powering premium handheld gaming PCs, giving you enough performance to run modern AAA titles without relying on cloud gaming. The glasses themselves use 0.71-inch micro-OLED displays with a 1080p resolution per eye, creating what feels like a 215-inch screen sitting about 20 feet away. The refresh rate tops out at 60 Hz, which is perfectly fine for RPGs, racing games, sports titles, plus everyday gaming, though competitive players will notice the difference compared to the newer 120 Hz glasses we've started seeing. Gaming is where the Pocket Vision separates itself from almost everything else. The controller, the Pocket Go, isn't an accessory, it's the computer. Hall effect thumbsticks reduce stick drift. Hall effect triggers improve long-term durability. Windows gives you access to Steam, Xbox Game Pass, Epic Games, Battle.net, plus virtually every cloud gaming service, including GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming. Tecno added plenty of practical features too. A replaceable 50 watt-hour battery lets you swap packs without shutting the system down. 65-watt fast charging gets you back in the game quickly, while Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, dual USB-C ports, head tracking, plus built-in diopter adjustment up to 600 degrees round out the package. At roughly $870, you're buying an entire gaming platform rather than a standalone pair of smart glasses. For some people, that's exactly the appeal. For others, the next option offers a much simpler way to enjoy a giant virtual display without carrying an entire Windows handheld everywhere you go. Price is where the Raino Air 3S immediately grabs your attention. At $269, it's one of the most affordable gaming smart glasses here, though the spec sheet feels anything but budget. You get dual 1080p micro-OLED displays, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, 650 nits of brightness, plus a 47-degree field of view that creates the equivalent of a 201-inch virtual screen. That combination delivers crisp visuals with enough fluidity to make racing games, sports titles, plus fast-paced action feel far more immersive than you'd expect at this price. Setup is refreshingly simple. Plug the USB-C cable into any device that supports DisplayPort Alt mode, and you're ready to play. Steam Deck, PS5, MacBook, Android phones, supported iPhones, plus Xbox through an HDMI adapter are all compatible. Nintendo Switch users can also add the optional Joy Dock for an even smoother experience. Audio is another pleasant surprise. Raino's dual opposing acoustic chamber design creates a wider soundstage, while the glasses block 99.6% of ambient light to keep the virtual display clear. The 3840 Hz OptiCare dimming system reduces flicker, helping minimize eye strain during longer gaming sessions. Comfort remains one of its biggest strengths. At just 76 grams, the Air 3S stays lightweight, adjustable temples and multiple nose pads help achieve the right fit, while the included prescription lens frame makes custom lenses easy to install. Even so, it's hard to find another pair that combines a 120Hz OLED display, broad compatibility, solid comfort, plus this level of value for $269. The next option raises the price a bit, though it brings meaningful upgrades in some areas to match. Lightweight gaming is the biggest selling point of the Lenovo Legion glasses Gen 2. At just 65 grams and $280, they're among the lightest and cheapest smart glasses in this lineup, making long gaming sessions far more comfortable than heavier alternatives. Lenovo pairs that lightweight design with dual 1920 by 1080 micro-OLED displays, support for 60, 90, and 120 Hz refresh rates, 800 nits of brightness, plus a 43.5-degree field of view that creates the equivalent of a 126-inch virtual display. That refresh rate flexibility is especially useful. Slower story-driven games can run comfortably at 60 Hz to conserve power, while competitive titles benefit from the smoother 120 Hz mode. The higher brightness also helps maintain a clear image in brighter environments, making these glasses easier to use outside your usual gaming setup. Lenovo built these with the Legion Go in mind, though compatibility extends much further. A single USB-C connection with DisplayPort Alt mode lets them work with the Steam Deck, Windows gaming laptops, Macs, plus other supported USB-C devices. There's no complicated setup, onboard software, or additional operating system to learn. Connect the cable, launch your game, then you're looking at a private virtual display without carrying an external monitor. The design deserves some attention too. Lenovo replaced the bulkier look of the previous generation with a rimless aviator-style frame, reinforced by durable metal hinges that give the glasses a more premium feel. Built-in speakers handle audio without adding extra accessories, keeping the overall setup clean for portable gaming. The biggest limitation comes from the feature set. There's no standalone operating system, onboard battery, or advanced XR functionality. Everything depends on the device you're connected to. The 43.5-degree field of view is also one of the narrowest among the glasses featured here, making the virtual screen feel slightly less expansive than some of the models we've already covered. A bigger virtual screen usually means a trade-off with comfort. The Rokid Max 2 Pro manages to balance both. It combines dual Sony 1080p micro-OLED displays with a 120Hz refresh rate, 600 nits of brightness, plus a 50-degree field of view that recreates the feeling of looking at a 215-inch display from around 6 meters away. That wider viewing angle makes open-world adventures, racing games, plus cinematic titles feel noticeably more immersive without making the glasses bulky. Gaming support is equally impressive. Connect them through USB-C and they're ready to work with the Steam Deck. The glasses don't run games on their own, though pairing them with the optional Rokid Station 2 unlocks an Android-based spatial operating system powered by a 4nm Snapdragon processor. It adds native Android gaming, cloud gaming support, plus a built-in 5000 mAh battery for longer sessions away from a power outlet. Rokid paid plenty of attention to comfort. The glasses weigh 75 grams, feature adjustable nose pads, flexible soft-touch temples, software-controlled IPD adjustment, plus built-in diopter correction. For many users, that means skipping prescription lens inserts entirely, making setup quicker straight out of the box. Audio comes through directional speakers with spatial sound support, keeping gameplay immersive while limiting how much audio escapes into the room. Basic head tracking is available for screen anchoring, helping the virtual display stay more stable as you move. The Max 2 Pro gets a lot right, though there's still a compromise. Several of its smartest features depend on buying the Rokid Station 2 separately. The 50-degree field of view is strong for this class, though it still falls short of the widest displays available today. Even at $399 to $429, it's easy to see why these have become one of the strongest all-round gaming glasses on the market. The next option builds on that formula with an even more refined experience that feels ready for everyday use. The biggest upgrade on the XREAL 1S isn't the display, it's the processor behind it. XREAL's custom X1 spatial computing chip handles image correction, frame processing, plus native head tracking up to 3 DOF directly inside the glasses. The result is a virtual screen that stays locked in place as you move, making long gaming sessions feel far more natural than glasses that rely entirely on the connected device. The display backs that up nicely. Each eye gets a 1920 by 1200 micro-OLED panel, with a taller 16:10 aspect ratio, a 120 Hz refresh rate, 700 nits of brightness, plus a 52-degree field of view. Out of the box, the glasses project what feels like a 171-inch display, though that can expand to an incredible 500 inches in supported spatial modes. The extra vertical resolution also gives PC games and productivity apps a little more breathing room than standard 1080p panels. Performance is equally impressive. Motion-to-photon latency is rated at just 3 milliseconds, helping fast camera movements feel responsive while reducing motion blur. Cloud gaming works through any connected device, while the 1S pairs easily with the Steam Deck, ROG Ally, gaming PCs, Macs, Android phones, plus the latest USB-C iPhones. Audio hasn't been overlooked either. Bose-tuned stereo speakers with Spatial Sound 4.0 deliver a wider soundstage than previous XREAL models, while built-in microphones use an ENC noise-canceling algorithm to improve voice quality during multiplayer sessions and calls. The open-ear design keeps you aware of your surroundings, though it won't isolate outside noise like a gaming headset. Despite everything packed inside, the glasses remain comfortable. A magnesium alloy front shell improves heat management, adjustable hinges, flexible temples, multiple nose pad sizes, plus support for prescription lenses make it easier to find the right fit. At $449, the 1S undercuts the XREAL 1 Pro by around $150, though a few premium features still require optional accessories, including the add-on that unlocks full 6 DOF spatial viewing. Mixed reality is where the Vitcher Luma Ultra XR separates itself. A triple camera system made up of one RGB camera and 2 grayscale depth cameras enables full 6 DOF spatial tracking, hand gesture recognition, plus smooth head tracking, making digital content feel anchored to your surroundings instead of simply floating in front of your eyes. Backing that experience are dual 1920 by 1200 displays running at 120 Hz, reaching up to 1500 nits of brightness with a 52-degree field of view. The result is a virtual screen that feels roughly 152 inches across while delivering noticeably brighter visuals than many glasses in this category. Whether you're exploring open-world games or streaming HDR content, the extra brightness helps preserve detail in brighter environments. Gaming works through plugging in a USB-C connection. It doesn't stop there though. Pair the glasses with the optional Vitcher Pro neckband, and you unlock an Android-powered gaming hub, with console streaming through official PS Play and XBX Play support. Native Android gaming is also available through the neckband, while Vitcher's co-developed 8-bit DO controllers add Bluetooth support for the Switch and Switch 2. The optional Pro Mobile dock pushes portability even further with a 13,000 mAh battery capable of powering HDMI devices for up to 20 hours. Audio receives a meaningful upgrade as well. Harman-tuned speakers produce fuller sound than previous Vitcher models. Spatial audio improves immersion, plus a built-in microphone makes voice chat and calls possible without reaching for another device. The only real downside is cost. At $599 for the glasses alone, several of the headline features still depend on buying the Pro neckband or mobile dock separately. Even so, few competitors combine this level of mixed reality hardware, gaming flexibility, plus accessory support into one ecosystem. The Raino Air 4 Pro is built around one major upgrade: picture quality. These are the world's first AR glasses with HDR10 support, powered by the custom Pixelworks Vision 4000 processor that handles real-time image enhancement, SDR to HDR upscaling, plus 2D to 3D conversion. The result is a more detailed and vibrant image with improved color accuracy, reaching 10.7 billion colors. The display itself uses dual 1080p panels with an adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits peak brightness. That brightness makes a noticeable difference when gaming in rooms with more ambient light, while the virtual screen can expand up to around 201 inches from 6 meters away. For handheld gaming, that means your Steam Deck, PC, or console setup can feel much closer to using a dedicated large display. Compatibility remains simple. Connect through USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode, and the Air 4 Pro works with devices like the PS5, Nintendo Switch 2, PC, Mac, plus supported smartphones. Gaming can run at up to 120 Hz, giving fast-moving titles smoother visuals without needing extra hardware. Audio is another area where Raino pushed forward. The glasses feature 4 built-in speakers tuned by Bang & Olufsen, supported by an independent DAC and 360-degree spatial audio. Whisper mode also directs sound toward your ears, reducing audio leakage when you're gaming around other people. The main limitation is that the smartest processing features are focused on improving visuals rather than adding full XR computing. At around $300 to $350 though, the Air 4 Pro delivers one of the strongest combinations of HDR, brightness, audio, and gaming performance in its price range. The next pair takes a more gaming-focused approach, combining premium display technology with a brand built around performance hardware. The Asus ROG XREAL R1 exists for one reason: speed. This is currently the first pair of gaming glasses pushing all the way to a 240 Hz refresh rate, paired with a 0.01 millisecond response time and just 3 millisecond motion-to-photon latency. For competitive players, especially in fast shooters and racing games, those numbers are designed to deliver the smoothest and most responsive experience possible from a wearable display. The display uses dual 1920 by 1080 micro-OLED panels with around 700 nits of brightness and a wide 57-degree field of view. That wider view is one of the biggest advantages here, creating a virtual 171-inch screen that feels closer to sitting in front of a gaming monitor rather than looking through a small floating window. Unlike some glasses trying to become standalone computers, the R1 focuses purely on being the ultimate gaming display. It has no internal storage, battery, or full operating system. Asus includes the ROG control dock, adding HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort connectivity for devices that don't have direct USB-C output. The glasses also feature built-in Bose-tuned directional audio, spatial sound support, plus native 3DOF tracking for anchored and follow screen modes. Most gaming glasses still force you to choose between immersion and practicality. You either get a massive virtual screen or a lightweight design that is easy to use every day. The XREAL R1 Pro comes closest to balancing both, combining a wide display, low latency, and a feature set designed for gamers who want a true monitor replacement. The glasses use dual 1920 by 1080 micro-OLED displays, a 120 Hz refresh rate, 700 nits perceived brightness, plus a wide 57-degree field of view. That creates a 171-inch virtual screen, while the ultra-wide mode expands the experience into a 310-inch curved 32:9 display with a combined 3840 by 1080 resolution. For racing games, flight simulators, strategy titles, or PC multitasking, that extra horizontal space changes how much you can see at once. At the center of the experience is XREAL's custom X1 spatial co-processing chip. It handles tracking, image stabilization, and frame processing directly inside the glasses, delivering 3 millisecond motion-to-photon latency while keeping the virtual display stable as you move. Gaming runs up to 120 Hz, and compatibility covers the Steam Deck, ROG Ally, PCs, Macs, iPhones, Android devices, consoles, tablets, plus even drones through USB-C DisplayPort connectivity. The R1 Pro also improves the everyday experience. Bose-tuned speakers with a custom acoustic chamber design provide spatial audio, while dual noise-canceling microphones improve voice calls and communication. Adding the optional XREAL Ally camera brings a 12-megapixel camera, upgrading the glasses from basic 3DOF tracking to 6DOF spatial features. The main limitation is that the R1 Pro is still dependent on another device. There is no built-in battery or operating system, and the XREAL Ally camera adds extra cost on top of the $599 price tag. Still, for gamers looking for the closest thing to a portable high-end display, the XREAL R1 Pro delivers one of the most complete packages available. The future of gaming displays is getting smaller, lighter, and a lot more immersive. With 240 Hz options already entering the market, the gap between traditional monitors and wearable screens is closing fast. The only question left is simple: would you replace your gaming monitor with smart glasses? If yes, let us know in the comments which one of these comes closest to becoming your next gaming setup. Finally, if you enjoy breakdowns like this on future tech and AI devices, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one.